Good morning. Today is Monday, October 26th, and I'm Tara Graves.
I'm Rulyn Graves.
And today we'd like to take our minute to talk to you a little bit about Leland.
Leland is located in Grand Rapids, Michigan, and is known for their design-focused and functionally strong products.
In fact, they have more than 20 products that meet the 500-pound drop test.
That's right, 500 pounds.
Thank you. That's my son Nathan helping us out today. All the samples that you see here today pass that test and are also available for you to use on your projects. All you need to do is let us know that you'd like to borrow one.
One of our most recent installations was the Albany International Airport, where we delivered over 100 Parfait 2 chairs. This chair lists for $536 at its basic level.
And then we have the handy stool, which you can see here in the front, that comes in a full poly version, in an upholstered top, or in the wood top. This meets that 500-pound drop test, and the starting list on it is just $229, and it's perfect for libraries or even around like your office desk or schools. It's a great little touchdown spot, and it looks beautiful when it's stacked.
So thanks for taking this minute with us today, and we hope that you'll keep Leland in mind for all your contract seating needs.
Happy Halloween and have a great week.
Thanks for joining us.
Bye.